Hey guys, so back. Today we're going to be opening a fidget stick if you never heard of one.
So today it is Shaneco and Declan. Declan's got his Pikachu onesie on. It's starting to get pretty cold over here.
Yep.
So we're getting his onesie on and he's playing with his spinner.
Yep, it's a four-sided.
The four-sided spinner. And what's the latest news in the fidget world, Declan?
It's a fidget spinner.
And then the new one is?
The fidget stick.
So we've got a fidget stick. And we're gonna bust it open.
Yep.
So stick with us, guys. And we're gonna mix the camera around. And we are gonna show you the fidget stick and what it can do. We're not really sure what tricks you can do with it yet, but we're gonna find out, aren't we, Deck?
Yep, it looks pretty fun. Looks pretty awesome to me.
And what do you reckon?
Comment if you think it's gonna be an awesome fidget stick. We don't know what it's gonna do, so yeah.
Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, here we go. As you can see, we've got a pretty good collection of spinners now.
Yeah, in total we have 9 fidget spinners.
He's got his four-sided ones, his LED ones, glow-in-the-dark ones.
Yep.
And here's the next one. It's not a spinner, it's the fidget roller. So that's what the box is like. Similar looking box to what the spinners come in. Here we go.
Let's crack it open.
Oh, it's too hard, Deck. That's what we got. Got rollover printed on it. One right in there, one right in there.
Let's see what it does.
Doesn't look like it does anything. Well, this looks really bad. Gives us a second to figure out how to do something and we'll come back and show you. So this one is it's a lot harder than the fidget spinners. It's actually going to take a bit of practice to get the go of it.
Yes.
But we think we figured it out. Deck, give it a go, mate. So that's it, it wants to walk. Let me see if I'm under there. There we go. So it is a lot harder than the spinners.
Yeah.
It's going to take a lot of fidgeting to get used to this one.
Maybe a week worth fidgeting.
Maybe a whole school day worth. This would be a good one at school because it would bug the teachers. Oh, we're going to spin it. Gets a pretty good spin on it too. Forwards and then backwards. It's really hard, guys. Take a lot of practice. So these probably won't be as popular as the spinners because it actually takes skill to do it.
So that's it. That's our fidget roller.
So that's it. We'll do a wrap up. That's the roller. Here's the spinners. See how easy they are to use.
Easy.
But the roller is a lot harder. It's got little red cap that end, little red cap that end. It says rollover on it. And that's it, guys. We got it off eBay. I think we paid about $12 for it.
Yep.
So it's a little bit more money than the plastic spinners, but it is all new, all cool. The fidget stick. So that's it, guys. Tell us what you think of it. Make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, you know, whether you'd be interested in getting one of these after the spinner craze, or whether you think these will actually stick around, or the spinners will die out and the sticks will die out, and that's it. So that's it, that's me and Declan.
Out and over.
Out and over, or over and out. Thank you very much for watching shaneco HD. We'll see you next time.